Hey there, amazing friends. Welcome back to the Neville Goddard Son of Abdullah show, where we're going to learn about something super cool today. Get ready for imaginal acts for instant manifestation. Neville Goddard reveals all. Imaginal acts are like superpowers for making things happen. Neville Goddard teaches us that when we imagine stuff, it can actually come true. Let's find out how. Imagine your mind is like a movie theater. Close your eyes and think about what you want like you're watching a movie. It's like making your own awesome movie in your head. Make your movie extra cool by thinking about how things feel, sound, and even taste. The more you imagine with all your senses, the better it works. You know how you practice your favorite game or dance move to get really good at it? Well, Neville says imagining your dream over and over is like practicing for your dreams to come true. Right before bedtime is a special time. When you're about to sleep, think about your dreams. It's like planting a seed in your mind garden before going to dreamland. Be super clear about what you want. If you're dreaming about a cool new toy, think about the color, the feel, and how awesome it is. Details make your dreams even better. Imagine a special scene in your head where your wish already came true. It's like playing make-believe, and the more you play, the more real it feels. You can use your imagination anytime, even when you're waiting for the school bus or brushing your teeth. Turn regular moments into magical moments. After you imagine, don't worry about how it'll happen. Just trust that good things are on the way, like a surprise gift from the universe. So, that's the awesome world of imaginal acts for instant manifestation, thanks to our friend Neville Goddard. If you liked this, hit like, share with your pals, and subscribe for more fun. Tell us your favorite imagining trick in the comment.